Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. 2025 was a busy season for the Paul Morbid YouTube channel. So now it's time to take a break off for the holidays. And in 2026, sometime in late January, when I return, we'll have some more interesting stuff. Some old stuff and definitely some new stuff. Like the new single 8 cartridge by Geneless, the designer, and the great and awesome 3D printing company, the premier company in China, Union Fab. Make sure if you're a single 8 user and you're going to get the Geneless cartridge, to have it printed at Union Fab. And anything else that you want professionally printed. Check them out, Union Fab. They are the premier, again, company in China, and they've got everything covered. All right? So, until late January in 2026, we'll see you later.